Namaskar friends, welcome to this video lecture series on multisim tutorial. In today's session, we are going to learn how we can prepare RC parallel circuit in multisim. So without wasting time, let's begin the session. To start with, we'll use this component toolbar. We'll go to resistors, take one resistors. Then from groups basics, we'll go to inductor. We want to prepare RC parallel, so we'll use capacitor. Any value of capacitor will bring, and then we'll go to sources, power sources, AC power source, and OK, and then ground, and OK. Now I am going to connect this circuit in appropriate manner. Here our RC parallel circuit is ready. R1 resistance and C1 capacitor, they both are in parallel. Now we will adjust our supply voltage. We will bring it to 100 volt and a frequency of 50 Hz, and we want to observe the supply voltage and current through both these branches. So for that we'll use this 4-channel oscilloscope. If you want to learn how we can use this 4-channel oscilloscope, then I have prepared a separate video for that, and the link for this video is provided in description box below. And the same way, if you want to learn how you can prepare RL parallel circuit, then the video link of that video is also in description box, and I have done the analysis of RL parallel circuit, and if you want to learn that, the link for that video is down in description box. So thank you for going through this annoying advertisement type of thing, but it's required. So now we'll connect these things, these 4 channels. To measure current, we'll go to simulate, then instruments, and then we'll bring current probe. We will measure the current of the main branch or main current. Control C and Control V, we'll paste it. We'll measure the current through resistive branch. Control C and Control V, paste it, and we'll here measure current through the capacitive branch. And let's connect all these 3 to B, C and D, and we'll take ground and connect this ground to the ground of 4-channel oscilloscope. So let's connect all these things together. So there we go. Now what we'll do, we will change the color of the waveform because all they are red. So when we run this oscilloscope, each and every waveform looks red. So what do we want? We will just click it, right click, go to segment color and change it to yellow. Click it, right click, segment color and change it to green. Click it, right click, segment color and make it blue. So now all the quantities are different. You can run, double click the oscilloscope, and there we go. Here is the simulation. In next video I am going to explain the analysis of RC circuit. Until you watch our next video, till the time, bye bye.